kids, let's sing together. A, B, C. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball rolling down the street. C is for cat saying meow, meow, meow. Learning letters is fun right now. A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters dancing happily. A, B, C, easy to see. Learning is fun for you and me. D is for dog, wagging its tail. E is for elephant, big and pale. F is for fish, swimming blue and free. So many letters to learn and see. A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters dancing happily. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Sing it loud, smile with glee. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning letters feels so sweet. A, B, C, we did it right. Singing letters day and night. A, B, C, hip hooray! Let's learn again another day. Good job,